Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Lands of Jail tips and tricks. Best strategy for beginners. If you're just starting in Lands of Jail, one of the first things you should focus on is filling all your hero slots and upgrading your available units using basic resources instead of diamonds. Early upgrades are inexpensive, so take advantage of them while managing your resources wisely. Having a full team greatly improves your performance during arrests and battles. Once your roster is filled, prioritize upgrading your main hero since early game synergy is less important than raw strength. However, it's still helpful to review hero stats and plan potential team combinations for later progression. Completing daily tasks is extremely important because they provide consistent resources that help you grow faster. Another major tip is to join an active gang or alliance as soon as possible. Strong alliances provide free rewards, building speed boosts, and valuable events support that greatly accelerates progression. You should also prioritize upgrading your warden early, as it is affordable and improves overall development. Finally, participate in events regularly since they offer generous rewards, especially for new players. Staying active is the key to long term success. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.